In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all mails in Microsoft Outlook quickly and efficiently as part of our 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned Outlook user or just getting started, this step-by-step process will help you ensure that you're seeing every email that's been sent your way. The first step in accessing all of your emails in Outlook is to go to the Microsoft account homepage. Simply open your web browser and enter the Microsoft account URL. Once you've navigated to the home page, what you'll see is your personalized Microsoft dashboard. It's designed to give you easy access to all of your Microsoft services, so find the sidebar located on the left side of your screen. Next, direct your attention to the top of this sidebar, where you'll notice a small icon resembling a grid of dots or a square box, the Apps Launcher. Clicking on this will reveal various Microsoft apps and services. From this menu, you'll want to select Outlook. Outlook is the application we'll be using today to view our entire email correspondence. Once Outlook opens, you'll be taken directly to your main email screen. Look for the Inbox option, which is typically the first option you see. Click on Inbox to open the list of emails that you've received. After getting into your inbox, you'll be able to see your emails as they come in, but we're going to take a further step to ensure you're seeing everything without any filters. In the top right corner of your inbox, you'll find the filter button. The filter button is a crucial component when it comes to specifying how your emails are displayed. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several filtering options. The final step involves selecting All from the drop-down menu. By default, Outlook may filter your emails to show only unread or focused emails, leaving others hidden. Choosing All ensures that every email in your inbox, regardless of its read status or relevancy, is displayed. This is particularly useful if you're looking to declutter your inbox or ensure you haven't missed any important messages. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can confidently navigate your way around Microsoft Outlook and make sure you're seeing all your emails. This method is both efficient and straightforward, maximizing your productivity and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.